Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Clawdbot on WhatsApp. First, you need a server running Clawdbot. This can be a Windows computer, a Mac system, a VPS, or a Proxmox virtual machine. Make sure you have completed the standard installation process, which includes installing Node.js, installing Git, cloning the repository, and running npm install to install all required packages. Next, open your clawdbot.env file. Inside this file, add your WhatsApp credentials or API information. This depends on your WhatsApp provider such as WhatsApp Business API, Twilio, or VenumBot. Add the required variables carefully. Type WhatsApp _API _key equals your space API space key. On the next line, type WhatsApp _number equals your space bot space number. After entering these details, save the file and exit. Now, inside your Clawdbot project folder, install the required WhatsApp module if needed. For example, type npm space install space venum-bot and press enter. Some setups may use Twilio instead of VenumBot, so adjust the installation depending on your configuration. After that, connect the bot to WhatsApp. Start Clawdbot by typing node space index.js and press enter. If you are using VenumBot, a QR code will appear in your terminal. Open WhatsApp on your phone and scan the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, your bot will be connected to your WhatsApp account. Next, send a test message to your WhatsApp bot. If the bot responds, your setup is successfully. Finally, keep the bot running continuously by installing PM2 globally. Type npm space install --g space PM2 and press enter. Then type PM2 space start space index.js space -- name space Clawdbot and press enter. After that, type PM2 space save space PM2 space startup and press enter to ensure the bot starts automatically after a reboot. Your Clawdbot is now running 24/7 on WhatsApp. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.